This lecture is about chemical reaction, and I am planning to show all chemical reaction continuously in my lectures. Today, to begin with, I will start with the reaction of sodium with water. In this reaction, sodium is very reactive metal located in the group 1 of chemical periodic table. So let's try to recall elements in the group 1: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium. And out of these elements, potassium is the most reactive metal, and the next and the next. And group 2, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. Okay, and in this list, hydrogen is excluded because hydrogen is classified as non-metal. Anyway, these metals have a property, same property, like this. Valence electron. Have a look at valence electron. Sodium. In case of a sodium atom, on the first shell there are 2 electrons. On the second shell, 8 electrons. And on the last outermost shell, there is only 1 electron. This is called valence electron. So sodium and lithium and potassium, they lose their valence electron very easily and very quickly. So as a result, this reaction occurs very quickly, dangerously. And have a look at when sodium meets water, it loses its valence electron, and then it becomes sodium ion, because sodium ion has 1 more proton than electron. And this electron will be gained by water. Water gains this electron to form hydroxide ion and hydrogen gas. At this time, hydrogen will be released very quickly, violently, to be exploded. Be careful. And then balance. 2 and 2. Two water molecule requires 2 electrons. Therefore, we should multiply both sides by 2, 2, 2, in order to cancel electron. Add them, and cancel. Therefore, 2 sodium metal solid, 2 water molecule liquid to form 2 sodium ion hydroxide ion aqueous solution, and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas quickly is released, very dangerous. Anyway, this sodium hydroxide is a hygroscopic compound. Hygroscopic compound. This means that it absorbs water from air. So it contains too much water. And then sodium hydroxide absorbs carbon dioxide. So it is called the deliquescent. Deliquescent compound, because it absorbs carbon dioxide from surrounding, and this reaction produces sodium carbonate plus water. Yeah, they balance. On right hand side there are 2 sodium and should attach to here. And in this system, carbon dioxide, too much carbon dioxide will continuously supplied to this system processing. Therefore, sodium carbonate plus water plus too much carbon dioxide and sodium hydrogen carbonate, this is its oxidation number is 1 minus. Memorize that. So sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate balance. Left hand side there are 2 sodium and right hand side sodium. Okay, this one is aqueous amphoteric compound. This is amphoteric compound. You will learn amphoteric compound later. Okay, and the potassium and calcium and barium have same reaction with this sodium. Have a look at barium. We'll take barium, only one. Barium plus water, and this is barium also loses 2 valence electron plus barium ion because its oxidation number is 2 plus, and 2 electrons is gained by water, 2 electrons, and 2 hydroxide ion and hydrogen gas 2, and add them, and 2 electron cancel. Barium plus 2 water equals to form barium hydroxide 2. The aqueous, this one is aqueous, plus hydrogen gas. And this is also a deliquescent compound. Barium hydroxide absorbs water, carbon dioxide. Okay, and BaCO3 is solid. This is solid. I will let you know later which compound is solid or aqueous. Yeah, plus water, and too much carbon dioxide is supplied continuously. BaCO3 solid plus water plus carbon dioxide, and BaHCO3 barium hydrogen carbonate, because barium oxidation number is 2 plus. Yeah, this one. Okay.